Moray was a professor emeritus in the Division of Anatomy, in the Faculty of Surgery, at the University of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. He is a founding member of the American Association of Clinical Anatomists, ACA, and has co-authored widely acclaimed books on anatomy such as Clinically Oriented Anatomy and Essential Clinical Anatomy. In 1980, Dr. Moray was invited to Saudi Arabia for a lecture on anatomy and embryology at King Abdul Aziz University. During his stay over there, Professor Moray was approached by the Embryology Committee of King Abdul Aziz University for his assistance in interpreting certain verses in the Quran and some sayings in the Hadiths which referred to human reproduction and embryological development. Professor Keith Moray was astonished at the scientific accuracy of some of the statements which were made in the 7th century AD. He says, "For the past 3 years, I have worked with the Embryology Committee of King Abdul Aziz University in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, helping them interpret the many statements in the Quran and Sunnah referring to human reproduction and prenatal development. At first, I was amazed by the accuracy of the statements that were recorded in the 7th century AD, before the science of embryology was established." Again, Professor Keith Moray says in his book The Developing Human, "It is clear to me that these statements must have come to Muhammad from God, or Allah, because most of this knowledge was not discovered until many centuries later. This proves to me that Muhammad must have been a messenger of God, or Allah."